So what up guys, we're live on Rada Quest. This game is a play to earn game live on WAXP blockchain guys. I'm currently loving the soundtrack on the game already. I think you can listen to it here. So I think it's a really good concept here guys. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how to get started, how to get familiar with the game, how to get into it. So first and foremost I'm just going to log out here. Okay, so this is the interface game.radaquest.net, but I'm going to drop you my referral code, so you're going to be using it to sign up so you don't miss out on any bonuses that are attached to it. So I'm just going to connect with my cloud wallet. So make sure you can use your Wombat wallet or your cloud wallet. It's very fast or easy to sign up with. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up. Click on approve, as you can see here. So this is the interface. This is the interface of the game here. You can see here it says evolve with cards into your best version. So you use your resources, soul crystals and potions to evolve your best cards and get the most powerful version. So that's the concept of the game guys. There's also a gems mini game which you can play. You can try your luck with a gems mini game and get your amazing rewards. So whichever of these games you want to try out, you can look forward to it. So here it's your headquarters. Here you can navigate to quest to see lots of quest options that are currently available. So let's just try the quest options guys, or you can move directly to the deck feature, whichever one. Let's click on the quest so you can see the quests that are available here. So for here the quest, you can see card recycle, harvest. This shows you need to harvest one of your buildings on a daily basis. You can see here complete 5 or more daily quests to get rewards day 16th of 30. So they're currently running these quest promotions which will be ending on February 29th. So it's about a 8 days period. So try and join these up, join these as soon as possible. Next we have level up, builder. So you can participate in any of these quests guys. So what you need to do, you can go over to your inventory or you can go over to your profile, your taverns, to see your current options or what you currently have here. Let's just go over to our headquarters guys. Let's see what we currently have in our headquarters. So here you can see your level, view your player status, strengthen your buildings, collect your resources and more. Here you can see how to admin, click admin and more. So I'm just going to click on any of these. Let's see what it has for us. So here you can see it's going to producing for us already. So on default, that's it. Let me click on this next. This is also producing for us. So I think by the next day, once it's done producing, you can claim it. So I'm just going to click this next one to see what we have here. This is also producing. So for starters, you can click on claim. If it allows you to claim there, you can just click on claim. So this is your farms here, and you can build your farms guys with this game. So I'm just going to go over to this tavern now. Okay, you can see the game. This is the gems game where you can play. More games are also coming soon. I'm just going to click on play game. So it says I currently have no money, so you want to make sure you have funds. Your wallet is funded. If you don't know how to fund it, you also want to check out these document guides here. Now there's a complete guide on this game concept that shows you all you need to know about this game. Here you'll be able to see issues about the game history, mini game. You can get credits. Say buying tavern exchange for wax points. Thanks to daily login, you can see you get 10 wax for Tarot Sport and more. So there are lots of prizes here and lots of information here that you want to look out for. Now let's just go back to the game guys. So I'm just going to go back to my inventory to see what we have. I think we have some game credits. So here you see your woods, foods, stone, credits, soul crystal and more. You can also see your game packs if you have any game packs. So let me click on this game pack. I think we have some game packs here already. I think this is it. Content, open packs to open about 10. So I'm just going to click on this. Let's go. So open pack or open. You can decide to open one pack, or you can decide to open all packs, whichever one you want to do. So I think I'm just going to open all packs, guys. I'm just going to open all the packs. So I'm just going to. So I'm going to click on open all packs. Okay, so let's wait for this to load up a little bit. Okay, here you click on approve guys, and all your packs will be currently opened. So you can shop on your packs. If you need more packs, you can go over to any of these WAXP NFT marketplaces, NFT blocks, Atomic Orb, as well as there's still another one too that you want to try. So I'm going to wait for this to approve. So please complete the transaction. The transaction in progress. Wait 1 minute. One moment, please. So we're just going to wait a little bit. So while that is loading, let's just go over to some cool insight about this game. It talks about tokenomics here. You can see the game tokenomics and also the history. It says here about Rada Quest. So welcome to Rada Quest, an immersive Web3 collectible card game set to in the world of captivating epic fantasy. So the game is built on the rise of the races novels, an epic novel by Marcus DK. So these are just lots of insights about how this game came about. So I think this is done. Okay. So we just open this back. Damn, it's nice. Looks cool. So I love the animations that comes with it. This is again the Eye of the Forest. So this is pack 6. Okay. So it's nice. It's nice too, guys. So these are all the packs that we just open up. So with these packs, you can explore the game features more with ease, guys. I think this is a starter pack. Okay, so this is the game shop where you can also trade or get more of these packs if you want more. Currently there are about 10 players online. You can see the players numbers here. Let's just go back to the inventory here, guys. Okay, so I need to fund this game. I need to fund the credits. So yeah, I think we have about, in our WAXP wallet, we have about 25 credits. So I'm going to try as much as possible to send this to my wallet here. 25, I think that's 25. So I'll click on send to game. I'm just gonna wait for this to approve. Wait. I think I made a mistake. Okay, I think we're on track. So yeah, so it's currently loading up. So you make sure you fund your wallet. Once you get it, say transaction successful. So guys, I think the game token has been sent already to our wallet. So I'm just going to close this. You can see here we currently do not have any balance anymore here. So just close this up. I'm going to search here. You can see here it's currently not showing here already. So you can click on this box here. It says you have one pending item here. So click here. Click on it, claim. So click on claim here. So you can see here all prizes has been claimed, and you can see here it's now available here. So next we're just going to go over to the game itself. So you can see here we have 25 credits here, 25 WAXP sports. XC we don't currently have it yet. I'm going to click here, play game. So do you want to play? Click on accept. Yes, this will cost you 1 credit. So we currently have about 25, means we can play as much as possible. So this is the way it works. You can see the game interface. So you want to make sure the colors match. That's the way it usually works. I think there's no timer here. There's no time, so you can play as much as possible. 6, okay, I can see here about 3 hours, 6 days tournament. Okay, this is the tournament that is currently pushing up. So on the tournament, the highest users with the highest points we get to win. So I'm just going to change this for this. Let's see how possible this works. Okay, okay, so we see we just go about there. So this is the way. I think this is really cool, guys. This is really cool. I think I love this game. I think I love this game, guys. So this is really cool, guys. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's the way it works. That's the works. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 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 Which one are we going up with next? Should we take it left or right, or guys? Which one do you guys? Let's just go. Okay. Yeah. I think that was my play. So next, let's push here. Yeah. So next. What are we doing next, guys? Okay. Yeah. This one works. So guys, I think we have about just 1 minute remaining, guys. Oh, I've not been looking at this. So you want to make sure just there's there's no there's, there's no wrong answer, guys. So just push as fast as possible, just as fast as possible, so you can get as much points as possible. Look for as much tallying as possible. Let's go, guys. I can see 59 seconds left. Okay, I now have about 1,260 points, guys. Let's go. Next. Damn, yeah. Okay, I think I have about. Damn. That didn't work. Okay. Damn. Wow, that didn't work. Let's go. 12 seconds left, guys. 12. Damn. Damn, guys. Damn, guys. I think I'm on. Whoa. 2,440 points. So, guys, I think we're going to play as much as possible, okay? Because this game looks addictive. Guys. So I'm just going to exit first. Let's see what we've got. Your enemy is leveled up to level 6, and okay, there's somebody on level 6, guys. So I'm just going to go back to play more games, guys. So this is all you need to do. You can also join up on the official Discord, okay? Yeah. I'm going to show you guys before I play this game again. Let's go. So don't think too much, because you might not be able to pick out all the details on the game. Just go with the flow. There's no wrong flow. Good job. So those are some stuff. Don't think too much. Just go with the flow, guys. Just make sure you're clicking something. Yeah, that's it. Next. Okay. Yeah, that was a good thing. Yeah. So next one, next. Okay, next. Yeah. So you can play as much as possible, guys. So let me see. So okay. I think which one is next, guys? Guys, I need your help here. I need your help here, guys. We just have about 1 minute 40 seconds left. I can't even click my mouse again, sir. Damn, yeah. This one is great. Massive. That's all we want, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. That's it. Guys, I think the game is fun. We just crossed 3K, guys. Okay, next. Damn. Guys, I can't see. The timer, I don't know what's up this time. I'm just counting down. Okay. I think that was a good one. Damn. I think I need a blaster. Guys. Something to blast this old stuff. I don't know if I can use my lucky portion here. I think I'm going to try it in the next game. You can click on try to use any of these lucky portions, guys. Maybe it's going to help you. Okay. Damn. One more. Ah, damn. Okay. So we just crossed 5,800, guys. So I'm going to just, you know what I'm going to do next? I'm going to blow up these old 25 credits, so get as much points as possible, and hopefully we can also win some bucks in the upcoming, in the current competition that they're currently pushing out. But that aside, these are cloud wallets here where you can see. Uh, just waiting for this to load up. This is the official Discord handle where you can see how to play the games, lots of updates. You can also participate. Just testing. You can see announcement, and you can also reach out to other guys too here. You can get notified for airdrops that are currently coming up on WAXP blockchain. Just make sure you set it up here. You can click on wax drops, and you get to see more insights here. So general, this is English. You can also speak on Spanish. So you want to make sure you're 18 years and over. Great here, great game. Who's the highest? Who's the highest? Highest on Tavern. Tavern. So that's it, guys. So you can drop your emojis. You can whatever you want to emojis. I think this is it. Yo, so that's it, guys. That's it. So guys, if you have any questions, don't forget to follow them up on all social media handles. You can follow them on X, follow them wherever you want to follow them, and uh, on my cloud wallet here, you can also check out to see your collections. If you want to get some of the collections or any of these credits, you can trade them directly on any of these NFT marketplaces. You can trade them directly on any of these NFT marketplaces. You can see Rada Quest. You can check to see the ones that are listed already, or you can buy directly from the in-app. So all these is what you get, guys. So I don't know. This is supposed to load up. Just waiting for this to load up. So that's it, guys. Peace out. One love. It's your boy Keys, and stay blessed.